Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for August 10. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has set up a committee to plan celebrations in honor of our athletes who participated in the London 2012 Olympics. The committee comprises representatives from the government, the private sector and the sporting community.
And they will come up with the recommendation as to exactly what we do. And the fact that the athletes will not be here, all of them will not be coming in at the same time. We're going to have to be looking at how we craft the celebrations, because we would want all of them, if not all, but most of them, to be involved, particularly those that did so well.
JIS News caught up with the Prime Minister as she watched Thursday's major track events with cabinet ministers and her staff at the office of the Prime Minister. She again praised the athletes for their performance, adding that their victory is testimony to their hard work, discipline and determination, and the indomitable spirit of our people. Meanwhile, Mrs. Simpson Miller said sport is the most powerful unifying force in the world. Speaking at the Institute of Sports Community League's awards ceremony on Wednesday, the Prime Minister urged the awardees to draw inspiration from our athletes who are taking part in the London 2012 Olympics.
Like our stars now shining in London, you never know, through this competition and others to come, we could be producing future stars to add to Jamaica's greatest national and international sporting tradition.
Mrs. Simpson Miller commended the organizers for the work they have been doing, adding that she has seen firsthand the positive and powerful impact of the competition on participants. Some 48 teams and over 1,000 participants competed in the Southwest St. Andrew constituency competition. The GOJ health card, aimed at improving the accessibility of medication for public health patients, should be available in the next 3 months. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says the Pan American Health Organization will provide technical assistance to implement the new card system. The GOJ health card will give persons with prescriptions from public health facilities easy access to medication at no cost. This applies to items on the vital, essential and necessary or VEN list. The service is expected to be available at public and selected private sector pharmacies island-wide. Meanwhile, the Health Ministry is seeking to develop public-private partnerships, PPPs, at various levels of the healthcare system to improve efficiency. In a release, Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson said within the policy framework of the Development Bank of Jamaica, his ministry will take into account the PPP requirements specific to the healthcare sector. He added that PPPs can cut costs, reduce risks, and increase output quality and efficiency in healthcare. The government is moving to increase the country's capacity to effectively collect and dispose solid waste. At a recent interministerial committee for waste management, Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson outlined several strategies to deal with solid waste management. He said stakeholder agencies have to strengthen their capacity to monitor air quality, dump sites have to be properly regulated, and solid waste collection improved.
All of these processes have to be carried out with existing legal, social and environmental guidelines that protect the public health and the environment and are aesthetically and economically acceptable. Those who produce the waste or contaminate the environments should pay the full cost of their actions.
The government is on a mission to ensure that local stakeholders benefit from the country's efforts to diversify its energy supply. The aim is to have 30% renewable energy as part of the country's energy mix by the year 2030. State Minister in the Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining, Julian Robinson, says local suppliers can respond to the requests for proposals or RFPs, and the system ensures that they're not left out.
So in the RFPs that have been issued, in this project, if a local supplier comes within 15% of the bid price of the overseas supplier, the local supplier will win the bid. We believe it's important that we have indigenous skills and expertise in the energy sector.
Mr. Robinson was addressing the launch of the International Year of Sustainable Energy for All on Tuesday. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.